Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday, May 13th. I just want to give a short video just so that you guys remember to do the Chapter 11 quiz, which is due Friday. And don't forget to be working on your journal entries, which is due on Monday, May 18th. And then today is just a catch-up work day. Email me with any questions and concerns, but yeah, work to catch up, and also final project work. Work through those questions in that sheet that I shared with you guys where it separated those questions by chapters on what you should be researching for your culture. Make sure that you are doing that. And maybe doing a chapter a day or half a chapter a day, half of those questions for each of the chapters. Again, you don't need to work on the chapters that we didn't cover unless you are finding bare minimum on the other questions for the chapters we covered. Then of course, reference those other questions. But if you skip over those questions for those chapters we didn't go through as a class, I understand you won't be downgraded for that. All right? So make sure you're working to catch up and to improve your grade in this class, and hopefully to meet the standards of NWTC so you can get those credits as well. All right, so have a great day, and I will not be posting videos for Thursday and Friday like as I've been usually skipping over those days. So just be working on your final projects, and your Chapter 11 quiz again is due on Friday. So a lot of this for the rest of the class, we'll still be doing the journal entries, and we'll be reading this chapter and Chapter 12, but after that I won't really be posting any new activities. So I really want you guys to be working to catch up and also working on your final project. Again, any questions and concerns, if you want to set up a virtual meeting with me, email me and we will set up a time that we can meet virtually and we can walk through anything that you need extra instruction on. All right? Okay. So have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good one. Bye.